Wouldn't it be nice to be stress-free and be carting dirt around all day? But mate, you just want to live a little. Here we go, here's the diffs for our Mack CLH. We're going to go deliver them. We're doing a diff on the side of the road. Here's the Scania. What's going on here?
Fixing the recovery vehicle, mate.
Doing a recovery on the recovery vehicle.
We just snapped the alternator bracket, the tensioner for the alternator.
Belt's gone loose.
Yeah, belt's gone loose, yeah.
Truck things, eh? Diffs, alternators. It's always the way, isn't it?
We got the Scania moving and delivered those diffs. Just want to show you where we are. This is a truck yard. Oh, Vinny boy, getting it done. Oh, Dad was out there busting a nugget. Hey, look, it's the Waddy dog. Come to help us, hey buddy? What you doing there?
Diffs, yo.
Diffs, yo. Oh, well, that's our setup. A few tools on the side of the trade, crane truck, ready to pull some diffs out. Waddy dog. Alright, you in there? Nice? Ready? Okay,
Yeah, right.
go.
Let's go.
Now, if you've watched this far, you're one of my loyal fans. I'd really like to make a video about how Vinny got this dog, Wadula. If you want to see the most heartfelt story of how this little bugger got this dog, Wadgie, click yes in the comments. I'll get 10 yeses. I'll make that video. Outback Cash for Cars, y'all. Let's go.